The world has many unexplored places and unexplainable mysteries that baffle experts to this day. The ocean is perhaps one of the most notorious places where scientists have been trying to uncover mysteries hidden within its depths for decades. While a vast majority of the ocean has still yet to be explored, there are several phenomena we can study and are still trying to figure out. Ocean phenomena come in many different shapes and types, while some, such as waves, are easy to explain and others are not. The ocean phenomena that are extremely rare and unique can be either a real beauty to experience or downright nightmares. We're gonna detail some ocean phenomena that you may have heard of before and ones that you may not have. This list contains a multitude of freaky and wild ocean happenings that are sure to stump even the most astute scientist lacking the necessary knowledge. The ocean phenomena that we're going to explore range from non-lethal happenings to ones that can potentially be life-threatening. Continue watching to learn more and find out about some of the craziest ocean phenomena that will blow your mind. White sea foam. White sea foam is a phenomenon that occurs due to single-celled algae that takes the form of a powder. When risen to the surface, this algae produces foam that is white and thick, almost resembling smoke. The mixture of ocean water and single-celled algae washes ashore and creates a white foam substance. Many people who experience this phenomenon are baffled at its cause and are often cautious of getting close to it. Red tide. Red tide is an ocean phenomenon that occurs due to colonies of harmful algae that grow. These colonies produce a very potent toxin that can kill marine life and other water animals. These algae colonies also affect the quality of air in the central area where this occurrence takes place. Aside from looking extremely scary, this phenomenon is also very dangerous if you happen to encounter it. Bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is an ocean occurrence that happens when plankton release bioluminescence that fireflies also release. This occurrence is also called the burning sea effect due to the illuminating light reflecting off the ocean when this happens. This is one of those phenomena that is a beautiful sight to see and doesn't pose any immediate threat of danger. Steaming Black Sea. The steaming Black Sea is a phenomenon that occurs when cold sea air combines with the heat of the sun. This combination creates an occurrence known as sea fog, which covers the surface of the ocean with a mist. While this occurrence can look ominous, it doesn't pose any real threat or danger. Underwater black holes. Similar to black holes in outer space, underwater black holes are an occurrence that happens when an underwater whirlpool is produced. These underwater whirlpools are so tightly wound that nothing can escape them. If you notice this phenomenon while swimming, it's best to avoid the area. Pyrosome. Pyrosomes are a very interesting ocean phenomenon that are actually creatures which clone themselves. These creatures can multiply themselves into thousands of the same organism, creating a long strand that resembles a sock. These creatures can reach lengths of up to 60 feet long and have bioluminescent properties which make them glow. They pose no threat and are actually quite a sight to see. Rogue waves. Rogue waves are an ocean-related phenomenon that occurs often and sporadically. Much like a standard wave, rogue waves rush to the shore. The only difference is that they are very large. These waves can form to create walls of water, which can be very dangerous for people in the immediate area. If you notice an unusually large wave forming while in the ocean, it's best to get out as soon as possible. Green flash. The green flash phenomenon occurs when sun rays make contact with the atmosphere at the perfect moment. This collision causes the ocean surface and sun reflection to separate colors, leaving a green streak in the middle. This phenomenon can occur at any altitude and only lasts for about less than a minute. Brinicle. A brinicle is, in essence, an underwater icicle. This phenomenon occurs when salt-saturated water leaks from sea ice. This causes the ice to sink into the sea, producing small ice fingers that resemble icicles you would see on the surface. If you ever get to experience this phenomenon, it can be very interesting to see. Pufferfish crop circles. Divers have discovered a phenomenon hidden deep within the ocean that they call pufferfish crop circles. These circles consist of intricate designs in the ocean floor that appear as if a human created them. After more research, scientists discovered that these circles were actually created by pufferfish as a way to attract female companions. Frost flowers. Frost flowers are ice crystals that can be found in oceans near the Arctic region. These flowers grow on sea ice and can actually float across the surface of the ocean. These frost flowers have been proven to be a major source of sea salt and other chemicals that are released into the oceanic atmosphere. This phenomenon is a beauty to behold and proves that the ocean has no limits when it comes to the crazy things you might see. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and make sure you smash that subscribe button on your way out. The notification bell deserves a slap so we can let you know when more awesome content becomes available. Bye for now.